தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Jam jam tataka jandum, jam jam tataka jandum, jam jam tataka jam, jam jam tataka jandum, jam jam tataka jandum, jam jam tataka jam. Jam jam tataka janu, 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 jam jam tataka janu. Jam jam tataka janu, 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 jam jam tataka janu. Jam jam tataka janu, 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 jam jam tataka janu. Jam jam tataka janu, jam jam tataka janu, jam jam tataka janu. Jam jam tataka janu, 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 jam jam tataka janu. Jam jam tataka janu, jam jam tataka janu, jam jam tataka janu, jam jam tataka janu. Jam jam tataka janu, jam jam tataka janu, jam jam tataka janu. Jam jam tataka jandu, jam jam tataka jandu, jam jam tataka jandu. Tajandu tadim pitaka, tajandu tataka jam, tadim tam tam tajandu tam. Tajandu tadim pitaka, tajandu tataka jam, tadim tam tam tajandu tam. Tajandu tadim pitaka, tajandu tataka jam, tadim tam tam tajandu tam. Tagadimi tajam tagadimi tajam tagadimi tajam tajam tajam. 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 Dari 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 dana 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 janu 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 taga taga dari dam. Dari 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 dana 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 taga janu 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 taga taga dari dam. Dari 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 dana 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 taga janu 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 taga taga dari dam. Dari 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 dana 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 taga janu 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 taga taga dari dam. Dari dang dana dang janu dang tadimitang tagajam tagajam tajam tajam tang tadingina tondang tadingina tondang tadingina tondang dari dang tagana dang tajanu dang tadimitang tagajam tagajam tajam tajam tang tadingina tondang tadingina tondang tadingina tondang dari dang tagana dang tajanu dang tadimitang tagajam tagajam tajam tajam tadingina tondang tadingina tondang tadingina tondang jam jam tataka jandu jam jam tataka jandu jam jam tataka jam 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 tataka jandu jam jam tataka jandu jam jam tataka jam 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 tataka jam 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 takata jum
Dr. Vijay Prabhakar, President, World Tamil Youth Federation USA, on the dais. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. I now request Honorable Justice Vimala on the dais to light the lamp. Along with the dignitaries, I also request Mrs. Jayanti Thangabalu on the dais to light the lamp. I also request Advocate Shantakumari on the dais to light the lamp. சம்பத் அவர்களை அன்போடு அழைக்கின்றோம்.
காலை வணக்கம். We all assembled to receive our Honorable Governor in this wonderful Sattakazar Silver Jubilee celebrations. Our Governor is a very friendly Governor. Our Governor is always positive approach Governor. Our Governor always helpful Governor. Our Governor, people's Governor. I am welcoming the Honorable Governor to the wonderful Sattakadari Silver Jubilee celebrations. When I met a month ago, Honorable Governor told, he knows very well about the Sattakadir and also he is from Nagpur. Nagpur means the India's law journal city. The most of the law journal published and circulated only from Nagpur. Justice Magadevan என்று சொன்னாலே தமிழ் கூறும் நல்லுலகம் நன்றாக அறியும். அவருடைய தமிழ் பேச்சு, ஆங்கில பேச்சு, அவர் கூறுகின்ற நீதிமன்ற தீர்ப்புகள் அனைத்தும் மக்களுடைய கவனத்தை ஈர்க்கக்கூடியவை. நீதி தவறா நீதிமானாக விளங்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கிற மகாதேவன் அவர்கள் இன்றைக்கு இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு தலைமையேற்றிருப்பது நமக்கெல்லாம் மகிழ்ச்சி தரக்கூடிய ஒன்றாகும். அவரை சட்டக்கதிர் ஆசிரியர்கள் குழுவின் சார்பில் வருக வருக என்று வரவேற்கின்றனர். ஜஸ்டிஸ் A.R. லக்ஷ்மணன், த தமிழ்நாடு நோஸ் வெரி வெல். தமிழ்நாடு மக்களுக்கு மிகவும் அறிமுகமானவர். இந்தியாவில் 3 மாநிலங்களுக்கு தலைமை நீதியாக பதவி வகித்தவர். உச்சநீதிமன்ற நீதிபதியாக இருந்தவர். அதாவது இந்தியாவினுடைய சட்ட கமிஷன் ஆணையத்திற்கு தலைவராக இருந்தவர் என்று சொல்லிக்கொண்டே போகலாம். பல்வேறு சட்டம் நீதி சம்பந்த துறைகளில் உயர் பதவிகளை வகித்தவர். குறிப்பாக சட்டக்கதிர் மாதஇதழை 1992ஆம் ஆண்டு அக்டோபர் மாதம் 29ஆம் தேதி சென்னையிலே முதல் இதழ் வெளியிட்ட பெருமை அவரையே சாரும். தெலுங்கு, கன்னடம், மலையாளம், தமிழ். The Tamil comes in the 4th rank. The government took a special initiative to bring this. I am welcoming one and all to our Honorable Justice Tamilvanan and Senior Advocate Mr. Duraisamy, Honorable Madam, where is Justice Vimala, Justice Kalyarasan, and Mr. Viswanathan, Mr. V.G. Sandosham, Palani Perisamy, Masilamani, R. Tyagarajan, Ravindran, and then Madam Jayanti Tangabalu, like I can name it many other persons to present here. I am welcoming everyone this wonderful get together to discuss all day about the Tamil as an official language for the high courts and judicial administration and center-state relations on concurrent list. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Today is a historic day as we celebrate 25 years of publishing excellence of the world's first and only Tamil law journal monthly, Sattakadir. Congratulations, it's a landmark milestone indeed. The year 1977 was a very profound year for me. As a second-year medical student of Madras Medical College, I met 3 people that year who had a great influence on me and became lifelong associates and friends. Firstly, the legendary Jayalalitha ji, who I had the privilege to interview for All India Radio Yuvavani program in 1977. Secondly, my professor, Dr. Loga Sundari Selvaraj, who was the first Dalit director of Institute of Women and Children's Hospital in Egmore. And thirdly, the living legend, the visionary founder of Sattakadir, Dr. V.R.S. Sampath. V.R.S. Sampath, from his student days, was a robust activist who did not fear to speak his mind and was known as a young Turk in Madras circles. Sometimes he even invoked fear in us. When in 1980, when our beloved Dr. MGR sent a 4-member youth delegation of Dr. Tambidurai, Dr. Ramalingam, and Muthurajan and myself to attend the World University Service International General Assembly in Managua, Nicaragua, and visit 33 countries to study youth programs to implemented in the just established Tamil Nadu Directorate of Sports and Youth Services. I still vividly remember that when we heard Sampath's motorbike coming into the WUS campus on Spurtank Road, we used to hide in the WUS office, lest he questions us on the bona fides of that world trip at Tamil Nadu government expense to promote the world's oldest language in the world. On this occasion, along with this citation, we are presenting him a bipartisan congressional medal given by the Democrat Congressman Danny K. Davis and the Republican Congressman Peter Roskam for his successful efforts in conducting the 5th World Tamil Economic Meet, which was another pioneering initiative of his. The medallion was supposed to be presented in November 2018 in Chicago, but he could not make it, so we'd like to present both of this now to him. And let's stand up and give a standing ovation to the living legend, Dr. V.R.S. Sampath, and I'll request our honorable and beloved governor to join us as we bless. Ladies and gentlemen, let us salute this. This is the congressional citation. The U.S. Congress Multi-Ethnic Advisory Task Force salutes Dr. V.R.S. Sampath, editor Sattakadir, Chennai, India, for his dedication and commitment in establishing Sattakadir, the first and only Tamil monthly journal in the world, in celebrations of 25 years of publishing excellence on this day, January 19, 2019. Signed, Danny K. Davis, Representative Danny K. Davis, Chairman of the U.S. House Ways and Means Committee.
Justice Mahadevan, the president of this wonderful function, Justice J. Lakshmanan, former Chief Justice of various states, Mr. Senthil Selvam, Judge of the Madras High Court, and also Mr. Prabhakar, who have come all the way from London. Our governor is an excellent person. Wherever he speaks, and I had occasions to hear him speak about, I wish you all the best. I wish everybody. All my very noble friends are here. I just all wish them all well. Wish you all the good day. Thank you very much.
All the senior counsel present here, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. And we will start with congratulating Sattakadir for completion of 25 years and wish them many, many more years of useful service. I will only give one incident. About 16 to 18 years back, a young lawyer joined me as a junior. He was from a very humble background and his fluency in English was almost nil. But the Sattakadir in the office, he would make his own. And today he works as a government assistant public prosecutor in government service. I am sure there would be thousands more who have benefited through the magazine Sattakadir. And there will be many more who would so benefit if it is widely circulated, which it should be. Wishing you all every success. Thank you.
It's my pleasure to be here to celebrate the Silver Jubilee celebrations of Sattakadir. As per the Constitution, Convention, tradition, as per law, the legal system is governed by English language here. Majority of the of Tamil Nadu from rural areas are not in a position to understand the proceedings as well as the verdicts in courts. Sattakadar continues to fight out to bring Tamil as a language for the courts at all levels. எமக்கான மண்ணில் எமக்கான மக்களுக்கு எமக்கான மொழியில் அனைத்தும் சென்றடைய வேண்டும் என்கிற ஒரு உன்னதமான நோக்கத்தோடு இந்த இதழ் பயணிக்கிறது. I wish we are as Sambath and his team to achieve more laurels in the days to come. Thank you.